Hello everyone, this is Kalyan. Today I'll be going to show how to work with the MongoDB web projects. So the prerequisite for this project is you need to install the MongoDB in your box. And how to install the MongoDB is you just need to have either Linux or Windows in your system. Once you have the Windows or Linux, you can go to the MongoDB website and download the tar file and you can extract it and you can update the .bash arts. It's a simple installation. You want to know more details means you can follow my previous video also. And for this project assumption will be already in your system MongoDB is installed. So currently in my system MongoDB is already installed. So I'll be going with the project explanation now. So let's start the MongoDB first. So you can start MongoDB with the MongoD, this is a server with database path db-path equal to whatever the path you want to give it, home, do work, and a sample path here. No, I want to do like a MongoDB underscore test. So I want to go like this path because I can go for it, and maybe I want to go for some existing database also, I can choose that one. So here I am going to choosing the right now the new database path, that is test. So the reason behind this one is it's terminating, it's not able to find this one. So make sure that create this directory first with mkdir, then you try the previous command, it's going to work now. So currently you can able to see like waiting for the connections for the 27017. This is the MongoDB by default port. Let me open a other terminal to connect to MongoDB using the Mongo command. So this is the client command, and MongoD is the server command, Mongo is the client command. The basic command for the Mongo is like running or not. You can go by show dbs. It will list all the database which are available in the MongoDB. Right now it's only available local because by default it always comes with the local. And you want to create your own databases means you can create it. So let's say like a use test. So this will take care of like creating a database called like a test. And if you don't create any collection in these databases, it's not going to show. Let me observe it. Show dbs. It won't show. When it will show like this database name test is create one database. So how to create the database is directly db dot your table name. What the table name you want to give it, maybe like x is my table name, and insert with something. Maybe I want to insert some record is name Kalyan, and maybe ID is 1, or maybe like a year 2015, some record. And now try with the show dbs, you can able to see test also, because once the database contain any tables, then that is going to show, because we are not creating it, we're just trying to say using it. MongoDB will have internal functionality like this. And I want to query my collection is db.x.find. This is simple query, just as like a select star from the table x. So db.x.find will going to give an answer for like what you inserted. Let me try with some other record also. 2014. Maybe we get ID maybe 2. Then find it. So like this we can able to insert some data and we can able to query it also. So hope you got a basic idea. Now in my system MongoDB is currently running it. I can able to show it for you. So then once I'll go for the web application wise, Eclipse is required. Let me start my Eclipse. So you want to know how to install Eclipse also, you can check my previous videos and you can able to get an idea for that. Let's go for Eclipse and click on this icon. So I'm going to use the for web application Kepler version. You can go for the latest version of the Eclipse also, nothing wrong. just give me some time, it is taking loading. Okay, I'll say okay. Okay, it is completed now. Yep. So what I'll be going to look at till the last sessions in the project's explanation time, I have done like a 4 projects. One is HDFS, Hive, HBase, Phoenix. Today I'll be going to show like a MongoDB. Let's import my assignment. I click on the package explorer, File Explorer, say import. Go for existing project in my workspace. So you want to get this means as part of the course we are going to give it to you, and choose the 5th assignment and say finish. It is building. Once the building is completed, we can able to go for like running this project also. Okay, so this is a project I have given assignment for you. So practicing on the MongoDB commands in a web application. Let's run this project. Run on server. So remove the old one. I want to go with my 5 with project. So backend you can use any web server. I am going with the Tomcat here. Yep. So this is the project now opened in the browser, or else you can also open with this URL also. So the mainly we are going to practice on the MongoDB commands. And what are the assignments I'm going to give you, like display all the databases in your MongoDB. So like a show DBs. When you give the databases, you have to show it. And whenever I click on the any database, like if you have to display the data in its results tabular format. So because the database contain like some of the collections, we have to display those collections. And for the code operations wise, creation, application, insertion, delete, operation place, I'm just asking you to do some small use cases. One kind of registration page with username, password, email ID, phone number, profile picture, kind of structured, semi-structured, unstructured data places we can able to handle here. And after that, once you register this user, then you can able to verify with is it really the database updated or not. And also if someone asks me like display all the registered users in also, you should be able to display it. And I'm also expecting the CRUD operations on the data for like a update delete operations. So this will give a basic idea about like a one general project on the MongoDB. So let's say go, then this kind of small use cases you have to build it. So this is what the assignment for this project, but how the solutions are going to be there means I'm just going to show that for based on that. So you need to work on this assignment. So let me stop my current running assignment project, and I will load my solution. What I'm expecting from this assignment, I'll be going to show it. You can also get the same results from your side. Let's load my solution. It's building it. Let it take time. Okay, so let's start the solution project. Run on server. Next, remove the old. Say finish. So the prerequisite for this solution, you must and should need to start like a MongoDB first. Already we are running it, nothing to worry about that. Now let's open the solution project. So let's go by go option to work out is really happens or not. So the first action what I want like a display all the databases in MongoDB. Currently, if I see in the terminal we have a two local and test. Let's click on here. Okay, it's not showing is some kind of browse cache or maybe like a Tomcat cache. Let me clean up it. So better to clean up once and the development time. Okay, that's now you can able to see there are two databases which are there in the MongoDB. One is local, other one is test. That is what the my first assignment. Display all databases in the MongoDB. When you click on any database, we should be able to display the result in a tabular format. Okay, so let's click on the test. Test is the one of our database. Click on that. So there are two tables here. One is your system indexes, another one is X. Let's click on the X what we have created, and if you remember like we have given like a name, year, ID. So name is Venkat and year is this, and so as part of the conversions it's coming as a 0.0. We can also handle all these things in the coding level also. So this is what one of the base functionality I'm just expecting from these two questions. So when you should be able to get all the databases, get all the collections in a MongoDB database also. You want to get it, you can get it. This is what one small use case. And later I am just going for the code operation wise like a registration. So let's click on the register and fill all these things. Let's say test, password is also test @gmail.com, or some phone number 1234 something like that, and some kind of binary data also. Let me load it. Okay, so when I say submit, it should be submitted to backend MongoDB database. That is what the one functionality. And once you done like a registration, is really the test is correctly added or not. Let's verify. Test and test password, then user details are correct, is available. Let's say try with wrong use case. Test with only one character password is no user. Let's try with some other user name A and A. Right. This means like your validations are properly taken. It has to taken care here now. That is also done. Now let me list out which are the users we have registered right now. List of users. You can see currently we have only one user, and I just displaying the password here, but we should not miss. We can also make a stop here also. And the image, which are the image here uploaded, and email ID. And also at the end I'm saying like we should have an option to delete or update also. So for that I have given an option for delete and update also. Okay, let me register one more user. We'll see. Say let's say Kalyan. Password is Kalyan @gmail.com and 1234 something. Let's browse some other picture now. Okay, no issue, any picture is fine. Submit. Let list out all these two users. you can able to see. So now let's try with the update the Kalyan details, edit, and I don't want this number, or maybe like let me update my email ID with Kalyan1, and as well as phone number also 2345667 something like this 00, and profile picture also I don't like, I want to update it also. Let me update the profile picture. See submit, list of users, we can able to see Kalyan is updated here. And as well as you want to get the same details, submit, go for databases, for this one is Kalyan and user is the one you can see. So let's click on the edit and we are able to see, and as well as do the operation called delete also. There are two users, I'm deleting one of the user now, list of users. So these are all the expectations from the MongoDB existing commands actually, with the DB inside and DB find and all these commands we can able to do this one. So hope you got an idea. Let's take a screenshot for this entire assignment and I'll be going to share these details also. Hope you are going to wait for a few more minutes. The first operation is submit as to display the details. So I have done one wrong check here. I have to correct my code also. Okay, small bug is there. Let me correct it now. Yeah, these are databases names and these are the collection names actually. Okay, let's take a screenshots now. Display all databases in MongoDB. Click on the any table, then display all collections in database and click on the collection. Display collection data in table format and provide solution for user registration. Provide solution for login validation. And display list of registered users. Who are the users are registered, we just want to like display it and give the functionality for update. Display user details for update. and provide solution for delete user. Success or not, we just need to delete it. So these are all the expectation with MongoDB. The general commands like a db.insert, db.update, db.find. Using this kind of basic commands in the MongoDB, we want this functionality. So hope you got an idea. So what I'm expecting from this project, this will help you like doing in real time also some more extensions, but this is the base point for the MongoDB. So I'm holding here. Well, let me continue with the next project.